everyone. I wanted to take a moment and share with you how you can navigate through our fourth grade website for this year. Up here at the top is our website address. So it's sites.google.com/kellyhawks.org/fourth grade. You can add this /home if you want, but it's not necessary. So when you put that in, you should be brought to a screen that looks like this. If you scroll down, you'll see some buttons here. So our students will be accessing these two buttons, Hawks at Home and Student Portal. Parent Portal is where you will need to go for all of your information. I did put a link to our fourth grade handbook here as well, but it should be also linked on each teacher's page. When you click it, it will bring up our interactive handbook where you can find some important information that you'll need to know for fourth grade. So please take a moment to read through that at your convenience. I'm going to go ahead and enter the parent portal. And when you scroll down, you'll find some clickable links. So we have some helpful videos. We'll be adding more throughout the year. If you want to know what is for breakfast and lunch, you can click this apple. And if you need to see the newsletters, our spelling, and our vocab, you can click that button, and you will see some newsletters and spelling lists and vocabulary lists posted here in the coming weeks. So I clicked the Back to Home button to be brought back to the home page here. And down at the bottom, there is a button for each teacher. So I'm going to go ahead and check out Mrs. Nations. This brings me to her home page, where I can see she has some buttons here for contact information, their schedule, parent and guardian forms, which we'll go into in just a second, again, the handbook, and if I need to return back to the home page of the parent portal, I can click this Back to Home page. On each teacher's page, you will find parent and guardian forms. It might just be on that page, or it might be a button to click on. Instead of sending home paper forms this year, we are going to do everything digitally. So down here at the bottom, you'll see the form. If you click next, it'll take you to some information that we need you to fill out. So if you could please do that at your earliest convenience, that would be great. When you're finished, you can click Back to Home, and it'll bring you back to the home page of the parent portal. So again, you can click on each teacher's page, and each teacher's page might look a little different, and that's all right. So here the forms are directly linked on this page along with the schedule. Go back to home, and we'll look at Miss Walters' page, and she has some buttons as well. So you can click on each of those. Again, click on the forms here to access that same parent form. So that is our fourth grade website, and if you have any questions, please contact your teacher.